Afternoon, everyone. I think we all need a reset. Life is good. We're all going to get through this wherever you are in the world. Quench the craziness. If you're one of the vulnerable to this particular coronavirus, just make sure you're taking care of yourself. There is good research coming out now that the higher our levels of vitamin D and A and zinc and C, the higher our levels, the less affected we are. Take care of your heart, take care of your lungs, take care of your immune systems, and look after yourself. We'll get through this. So, a bit of a reset. So once again, let's just relax for a moment. Relax. Deep breath and relax. Running your central meridian. I choose to live a good life on this planet. I choose to be healthy. I choose to be happy. I make good decisions for my health on a daily basis. I believe that life is meant to be lived. I believe that what I put out, I get back in return. I choose to be happy, healthy, and well. I choose to trust my body to take care of me. I choose to trust myself and my decision-making processes. I love being in this planet and I love being in this universe. I know that the universe chooses to look out for me. I choose good people in my life, and I choose to let go of the negative. And breathe and relax. A bit of crunching going on. Take care of yourself. Love to all. Bye.